Hey YouTube, JW. Picked me up a Kalashnikov on Cyber Monday, and no, it's probably not what you're thinking of. Got me a Boker Kalashnikov. Automatic. Stone-washed dagger blade. This is the limited edition. Obviously it's the orange. It's got the dagger blade. It's Aus-8 steel. This is I got it from Blade HQ. This is an exclusive from them. Very nice. Got a good grip. It's got nice jimping there. Got this for 25 bucks on Cyber Monday. Really good deal. Comes with this cool kind of AK-47 type case. It's a 3.3 inch blade. A nice stone wash. I really like this knife. It's got a really good weight to it, good feel, great lockup on the open, and for 25 bucks, it's definitely a great price. Thanks for watching.